Hello, welcome in the course Designing Flexible Approach of Learning. This course has been developed under the UNESCO Open Education for Better World for the year 2020 under online mentoring program. Course developer is myself Dr. Madhuri Suresh Isave and course mentor is Mr. Sandeep Patil. This course has been developed under the able guidance of Asia Hub Coordinator. In duration of the course in terms of hours, credits 3 weeks, 2 hours in per week. Credit course will be of 6 to 10 hours. Target group profile pre-service teachers, B.Ed and D.Ed in service teachers. Sustainable Development Goal 4 is reflected in this course. The goal is ensure inclusive and quality education for all and promote lifelong learning. In the goal, the indicators are ensure equal access to all level of inclusion including person with disability. Ensure all learners are require knowledge and skills for sustainability. Provide effective learning environment to all and also upgrade educational facilities. To achieve this target, teachers need to understand the learners to provide them necessary skills and knowledge. By using flexible approach of learning, they create effective environment in their classroom. Teachers should be aware of the diversity of learners in their classroom. And while adopting flexible approach, they provide access to all level of inclusion. Course descriptions are: this is a learning method related course focusing on flexible approach of learning. This course explores the theoretical background of universal design of learning. The in-service and pre-service teachers understand the flexible approach of learning. It is a flexible approach with innovative mode of delivery of content. This course designs various activities of learning and provide framework for flexible learning so that teachers know about how the students learn in their classroom. This course helps learner to understand concept, principle and framework of flexible approach of learning. It also helps to realize the various ways of learning and its assessment. Flexible learning is not a goal in itself but to improve learning experiences and learning outcomes. It is a practice in regular classroom teaching. Give the attention of all learners and their learning style and provide opportunity. The instructional effect of this course is the in-service and pre-service teacher know the flexible approach of learning, and nurturing effect is they will also know about universal design of learning. This course will create dual effect on teaching and learning process. Course benefit at the student point of view that they learn through technology enabled learning methods. They have more choice in different kinds of learning, face to face and blended and MOOC. It helps to improve learning experiences and including more experiential learning. Course objectives are to understand the concept of flexible approach of learning, to know the multiple strategies of flexible approach of learning, to design the framework of flexible approach of learning, to implement and assess the framework of flexible approach of learning. Learning outcomes are after finishing this course, learner will know and understand the concept of flexible approach of learning. They are able to design learning plan for learner. They also design framework based on flexible approach of learning and they understand the learner styles of their learning. In this course, 3 modules are included. Module 1 is Introduction of Flexible Approach of Learning. Module 2, Framework and Designing of Flexible Approach of Learning. Module 3, Implementation of the Flexible Approach of Learning. Under this Module 1, you will learn concept and definition of flexible approach of learning, principle, objectives and benefit of flexible approach of learning. Under Module 2, Framework and Designing of Flexible Approach of Learning, multiple strategies for flexible approach of learning, ways of learning style, structure of flexible approach of learning. Under Module 3, Implementation of the flexible approach of learning, you have to learn selection of the content, design of the content according to learning style, presentation of flexible approach of learning, assessment of flexible approach of learning. In this course, e-learning solution and resources are used in the form of videos, PPT presentation, short text article, e-book, self-blog, reflective discussion forum, quizzes, assignments, documents, images, website links, and MCQ. After completion of the course, certificate for completion requires 70% score on all quizzes, participation in at least 2 reflection discussion forum, and the creation and completion of all 3 assignments with 30%, 30% score. So let us begin this course, and please enroll this course, and you will know the different type of learning experiences, and you will get many more information through this course. So thank you so much